Hi everybody, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. It is fall, so today I'm going to be doing some fun fall recipes. And I've got the help of Luigi the Legend and Luca the Legacy. And Luca is already trying to dig into some things he's not supposed to. It's fall, you guys. Are you excited? Mommy's excited. I'm gonna make some yummy fall recipes and you can eat some too, okay? My first recipe today is just simple. It's just a basic crouton recipe. It's 4 slices of whole wheat bread, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We've got a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna mince that. We'll do that next. Half a teaspoon of oregano, and then we're gonna do salt and pepper to taste, okay? All right, first things first, let's cut up the sourdough bread. I love a little bit of this in everything I make, but you might not, and your kids might not. It's just a little bit of chili flake. I'm adding it in last minute. I just decided to do that. Then you just want to toss everything. Simple. Doesn't need to be crazy. And we're gonna throw it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 325. And every 10 minutes, we're just gonna check it and move the bread around, flip it over, just make sure it's kind of toasting at all the different sides. Okay, so I think we're good. Take that into the oven now. I'm gonna set it for 10-minute increments just so I don't forget. I'll have my oven light on. So I'm gonna check it every 10 minutes, but usually they need to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we'll check it in 10 minutes, move it around and do another 10. So I'm just gonna move around the crouton. Okay, stop dimming. We hear you. Feeling pretty good. So I'm gonna pop it back in for 10 more minutes. Okay, be back. All right, the croutons are done. I think it's good just to add a little bit of green, a little bit of parsley, and voila.